Hey, Mike with Donastar here. Today I want to show you how to properly change your tractor bag-in-the-box with the standard QCD connectors. First I want to show you properly how to put them on and take them off. There is a little trick. I put both of my thumbs on the back side of this here and pull with my fingers on the side of each of the piston and pull it all the way out until you hear that audible click that I just made. Once that's out, just slide the collar off of the connector. So if you see, the connector has these slots here. They fit right inside this wide gap. Just slides over, and to push this in. Now see that is not fully engaged. We need to push that in until it's flush and clicks, and you know this is connected correctly. When changing the connectors and putting on a new box, it's advisable to clean them. As you can see, this one has syrup all over it. This will get all hard and sticky, and it could affect the performance of the connector, and sometimes it won't pull the product through. So it's good to have a bucket with some sanitized water that you can soak these in for a little bit while you're changing the box, and then have a clean rag that we can then wipe off the connector and make sure that it's clean, paying a special attention to this part right here. This is the part that opens up when it hits the box. So if that's clogged or sticky, you might have an issue with the connection. Ensuring that this O-ring is clean so we don't have any leaks coming from it when it is connected. But in general, just wiping it off and cleaning it up. Once you've cleaned it up properly and you've got your new box in place, just go ahead and slide that collar over, push the piston all the way in, and that's how you do it.